Kia ora whānau, it's day 12 of our journey to maintain the cleanliness and beauty of New Zealand. Wee, it's big. Yeah. So many. And big shout out to these legends who support our videos. Hera Walters, Blaze 1981, Towa, Does Bad Things Guy, Lele Bob, The Parrot Mom, LOL You Thought, and Apo ni Tatang. If you like this video, can we have your support by following, like, and share? Sharing this video is already a big help. And leave a comment so we can shout out you on the next video. Thank you so much everyone!